Yeah, hello. My name is Adi Godfrey. Once again, I'm back. I just want to kind of make this video again, so that people will kind of understand. Because if you look at my previous video that I did just now, I was in the hospital because it's easy cup, and I just want to kind of make it. Now, I'm in my bathroom. I want to kind of show off, vomit. Generally, like I'm in my bathroom now because I'm still waking up. I just want people to kind of understand that you don't judge anybody. Don't look at this clothes and judge because you don't really know. If you're looking at this clothes, or you just look at me and if I just tell you like I have a kind of a problem now, I'm waking up for 12 good years plus, will you believe? No, people don't believe. And just look at the duration now. Look at the previous video time and time now that I'm making making this one. You see the various, the car. That's the time, from there till now, I'm still waking up. I just, entered the home now. I'm still looking up. And at this moment, I'm in my bathroom, like, why I said just now? I'm trying to kind of, vomit, throw off. To kind of tell my person to stop it. So I'm making this video for so many people out there, like, when people tell you things like, I'm in problem, I'm in pain, look, I'm going through, you just, it's a lie, it's lying, like, it's a lie. But you don't know, it's only fact. Don't look at this and judge. Look at what inside there before you can judge anybody. Because nobody is perfect. Everybody have various problems. But this my cover. Like, you just look at me. Understand? Look at me, I'm making up. If I tell you that, everybody like me, you say no, it's a lie. And some boy is making up. How come? This is the secret. There's so many things involved. Maybe every time I will, gotta be explaining it because I've been kind of a shy person. Very, very shy, But I decided that, like, okay, let me just be doing this. The only thing I can, because if I really want to kind of make a real video or pick up, seriously, you down there will be crying for me. You'll be wondering, how do I resolve? I mean myself, I don't wonder, like, how do I resolve? But it all boils down one thing. If not God, I don't think I'll be existing. Because, it started, on the 3rd of November 2007. Then I was in school. Calculate them till now, that is 12 good years plus. Seriously. But all the same, with time goes on, I will be kind of trying my possible best to explain things so that you can understand. Seriously, because I'm kind of very, very shy, I'll be told quite a lot to do this video. Just be doing it for yourself in case of curiosity. But I said, okay, it's true. Because last week I was in the hospital, but still I was pretending. I didn't